everyone. Today we'll explore products made from honey. Vast apiaries house modern hives where the journey of golden honey begins. The journey begins within the hive where countless bees diligently transform nectar into golden honey. Modern beekeeping blends tradition with technology, ensuring pristine honey collection. The journey begins as sealed honeycomb frames are loaded for transport. Giant robotic arms meticulously unload fresh honeycomb, initiating the journey of transformation. Inside, the raw amber honey awaits its transformation into exquisite products. Precision blades slice through beeswax, revealing nature's golden liquid. From the comb's core, liquid gold flows freely, ready for the next stage. Uncapped, the honeycombs emerge, their liquid treasure ready for extraction. Automated precision loads uncapped honeycombs, initiating the extraction cycle. Vast halls house giant extractors ready to harness the liquid gold. Inside, a powerful vortex releases the golden amber honey. The pure essence emerges, a golden stream of liquid perfection. A lone technician oversees the sophisticated extraction process. The entire hall orchestrates this golden symphony of production. Enormous transparent pipes guide the raw honey, commencing its crucial journey. A complex network of pipes efficiently directs honey towards purification. The rich raw honey cascades into massive purification vats ready for refinement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Automated robotic systems meticulously monitor and control the vast honey flow. The golden current flows through intricate pipe systems, continuing its transformation. Raw honey begins its journey, entering a multi-stage filtration system to ensure ultimate purity. Advanced pressure filters then activate meticulously, cleansing the honey of even the finest impurities. A final polishing filter ensures absolute perfection, leaving the honey flawlessly clear and shimmering. Massive stainless steel vats cradle the refined honey, a testament to modern production scale and precision. Every drop is carefully maintained, ensuring the highest standards of purity and quality. From vat to product, the journey of this golden sweetness continues pure and perfect. A synchronized ballet of glass and steel where precision meets speed. From pristine glass to final product, every jar is prepared with meticulous care, each empty charter vessel awaiting its golden treasure. Advanced sensors and mechanisms guarantee zero spillage, preserving every precious drop. A symphony of automation fills hundreds of jars with rhythmic, unwavering accuracy. This captivating dance of technology ensures purity and consistency in every jar. Each drop is meticulously managed, ensuring perfect fill levels and pristine packaging. This state-of-the-art facility blends nature's gift with unparalleled technological efficiency. Automated lines flawlessly cap and seal jars, ensuring every drop of honey is perfectly preserved. Every lid is applied with precision, guaranteeing product integrity and freshness. Advanced induction technology forms an airtight seal, preserving freshness and extending shelf life. A continuous flow of perfectly sealed jars moves onward, ready for the next phase of their journey. Precision lasers expertly etch each jar, ensuring perfect branding and vital batch information. This advanced automation ensures consistency and traceability for every single product. From raw ingredients to perfectly branded products, every step is meticulously controlled. Automated systems ensure precise ingredient measurement. Every ingredient is meticulously added for perfect consistency. The colossal mixer now begins its transformative work. Robotic precision ensures optimal mixture quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. A precisely calibrated mixer seals, preserving freshness. Colossal mixers bring ingredients to life, orchestrating the perfect start to our honey-infused creations. Precision and monitoring ensure every batch meets our exacting standards of quality. The perfect blend where every drop of honey is meticulously integrated for unparalleled flavor. Once perfectly mixed, the velvety batter awaits its transformation into delectable treats. Precision pumps deliver the exquisite honey batter, ensuring every cake is perfect. Thousands of molds move swiftly, awaiting their precise filling from the automated heads. Uniformity is key as each cake mold receives the perfect amount of golden batter. From raw ingredients to perfectly formed cakes, automation ensures unparalleled quality. Inside the massive tunnel oven, advanced technology ensures every honey cake bakes to perfection. Through advanced automation, each honey cake reaches its peak of golden perfection. Each honey cake emerges with a radiant golden sheen, a symphony of flavor and texture. From raw batter to golden perfection, the journey through the oven transforms simple ingredients into delectable treats. Precision robots meticulously depan freshly baked honey cakes ready for their golden transformation. Atomizer nozzles precisely apply a shimmering honey glaze, sealing in flavor and shine. Gentle robotic grippers carefully transfer the perfectly glazed cakes to their final packaging. Huge automated paddles expertly blend the ingredients, ensuring perfect consistency. Precision heating and stirring transform the raw honey into a perfect base for confections. This meticulous process ensures every batch of honey is perfectly prepared for delicious confections. Precision engineering guides the molten gold into its new form. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The innovative cooling system ensures perfect preparation for the next stage. Massive rollers transform the mixture into perfectly thin sheets ready for delicious treats. From molten liquid to a perfected sheet ready for the next delicious stage. Precision and sweetness combine as golden honey transforms into delightful candies. Thousands of perfectly shaped candies are crafted with incredible speed and precision. Thousands of perfectly formed honey candies emerge, a testament to automated ingenuity. From sheet to sweet, the journey of each candy is a marvel of modern engineering. Through advanced cooling technology, the honey-infused confections are meticulously hardened to perfection. Emerging from the cooling chamber, the confections are now flawlessly firm and ready for the next stage. Advanced automation transforms raw honey into delightful candies wrapped at incredible speeds. In a blur of motion, each candy receives its protective twist wrap ready for the world. From a distance, the candy finishing line operates with orchestrated precision and immense scale. Precision robotics ensure each honey product is perfectly prepared for its final journey. Different products, same quality, all heading to their designated packaging stations. Advanced robotics orchestrate the precise packaging of nature's sweetest bounty. Each delectable honey cake is handled with exquisite robotic care. Flawless accuracy ensures every mixed order is perfectly assembled. Once complete, fleets of autonomous vehicles take over, navigating the colossal warehouse floor. These intelligent machines ensure seamless, continuous flow, optimizing storage and dispatch. From production line to shipping dock, every product moves with flawless automated efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.